New video. Just started it. Guys,
tell them everything now.
hey guys, we didn't get to go in our chairs because how buggy it is. Guys, look at.
Stop the video that we're just about to post.
Hold on.
Oh,
Yes,
dude.
not.
a stick.
Oh my god, it's a stick out of this buggy, guys. If you did not see, it's so buggy out. You just stay still for a second. You can see all those bugs. Timber?
No,
He was
you're not
right.
falling that way. I need you to fall this way, sir.
Guys, there's so many bugs. Guys, look at what he got.
Oh, there, bro. This little guy. Oh, the mic.
How much spend a minute?
Here.
He finally got it. Now, can we bring it out?
This big one?
Yeah.
Pull.
Not yet.
Pull. Pull it now.
Okay, guys.
Pull that thing in a paw. There you go.
We're bringing it out. You guys can just see leaves. I'll bring it over here to this.
Up there.
Yeah, it's flat.
This way.
It's flat.
Grab that in and put it right here.
No, this is flat. We're gonna put them all here.
No, there's 2 foot. This is someone's property. You gotta put it over here.
Uh-oh.
Oh, here's someone's property. This is the alley road. Like, put it. And stop. Right there. Right there is good. Stop.
Okay, that's right there, one. Right next
So
to the
many
tree.
bugs.
If you guys don't remember, me and Bailey, we made a swing. You just gotta grab a lot of these. You gotta go back. And you gotta swing. Ah! It was kind of a fail.
I hit it.
He hit it!
Guys right here, they're gonna fly that way. I'm gonna pull them this way. Wait, can you pull them? There might be a catch on them though. That one right there. He should be. Whoa, 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 whoa. One more hit and this boy, he's dead.
Tim!
Right over here.
Another tree branch!
I'll pull it on top of the other one.
I'm gonna
Make sure it's
eat it.
facing the right way. See how the other
That
one's
way?
facing?
Okay. Gonna just get. Try not to let you guys go either. It's kind of hard using one finger. Guys, I didn't stop the video and I did it. I think I
Stop
would.
the video this time?
You did. I did it.
You did or didn't?
I didn't.
Good job.
I was close to it though.
That about hit me in the chest.
He's going against the tree.
Here, grab it like this so you can put it on there. There you go.
Guys. Alright, got me. I am hippie. Here. I believe I can crush it. Oh, dang it. Oh. That was cool, guys. Gonna make you go through it again. Oh my god. Something bit me. Do it again.
I can't, bro. It's about to break.
Guys, if you didn't know what he did, he was on a tree, literally. I don't think I got it on camera, though. If you guys did see it, please leave a comment. And please leave a laugh emoji. Or a funny emoji. We're just watching him, guys.
Tired this makes me?
How tired?
Tired. Tired.
Why is so many things biting? I don't like this, guys. If you see, there's like hundreds of bugs. Oh my god, guys. He's a landman. I don't think that rhymed. Hey, get away. Don't go on the camera. Don't go on next to camera. Sorry, guys. There's a bug. Hey, guys, I'm closing it. Stop it. There you go, guys. I'm gonna make it so big you can only see me. I made it so I can only see you. Not this other half. Because you guys don't want to look over there, do you? So I'm gonna make it so right there. Sorry, guys, I keep on doing. Okay, guys, something's biting me. I'm not gonna do that. What if I just get closer? Guys, should I do it? Sure. Holy flip! If you guys did not see that, there was like 20 bugs. Guys, watch out! Guys, we almost got hit by this branch. Ah!
Hold it.
Guys, I'm pulling. I did it, guys, all by myself.
Don't stop the video.
I'm stopping the video. Hurry. Ah!
There we go.
I think this is good.
Heck yeah, turn up now.
Okay, guys. We got 4 pieces of logs. We're good.
Now, see, we're taking this for free. Hold! I think I'm about to cut my shoe in half.
What?
You see this little bit of string hanging off? The axe straight away.
Wait, where?
Right here. Okay, it's not too much, but
Where?
right there.
So hard, guys. Guys. Where?
Right here. A little bit of string hanging off. Well, good enough. Just go.
There, guys. He hit
I
himself.
got pull it.
Guys, I
I
want.
got that one quick.
Ah! Why do we need this mud? Why do we need this again?
Building something. You watch.
I don't know what we're building, guys. I actually don't know. Woo! Yeet, 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 yeet. Yeah, baby! I'm gonna WWE it. Bah! 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 Ow. It's my boxing glove. Bah! Oh yeah. Take that. Take that. What about you guys? Bah! 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 Wanna mess me? Bah! 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 Yeah! Yeet! Yeet! Yeah, don't miss me. Oh, you guys won't miss me. Bah! 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 Let's check how he's doing. I just got something. Guys, he's striking the tree. He's climbing the log. He's WWEing the tree. Oh my god, guys, it's gonna be intense. Need to take a nice view of this. Go on it. Guys, he's gonna WWE it.
Be right in the position of where this thing's gonna fall again. I wanna move, dude.
Guys, if we stayed there, this is what would have happened. He would have been. Look how the whole entire trunk gets shaken. Look at it. Look at it. It gets so shaked. It gets shaked. If one thing gets shaked, the whole thing gets shaked. If it's strong.
Go.
Pull it. I'm pulling. Don't got anything though. I think we're good.
Pull.
We're good. Yeah. I just fruit it. We're good.
You know better. Don't swing it. Here. Don't
I'm
swing
holding
it.
the camera.
Here, right here.
Off.
Good.
He just hit my head.
Here, look. You got here like this. Put your hand on it. Just like that. I'll grab some branches. Hold on.
I'm leaving him behind. On we go. Doop, 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 doop. Okay, let's go. Oh, did you catch any bunnies from the bunny trap? What? I will check you. I'm gonna check if we catch it.
I'll hide in it.
It's empty. The bunnies are getting smart.
Alright. Go.
Ah. Okay, how was that?
Two more.
Two more, guys. Something's biting me. Whoa, sorry guys, sorry. So hard to control Tonka. Okay, I need free, okay. Okay, now I need free, okay. They seem close to you, but not really close. Come here. Okay. 1K. 0.5K. We need bug spray. We need bug spray. We need bug spray. Let's go get some bug spray. We're gonna wait to pause the video soon. Should I bring mine too? Yeah.
Hey guys, we'll be back with you. We're going to take a quick break.